video creators, welcome back to the Hitpaw channel. If you are worried about the blur of the video, look for a software that can repair the video. In today's video, I will evaluate 4 top popular video repair software. To find out the most efficient video enhancer tool, I will use this 10 seconds video with 640x360 resolution as an example. Let's dive in. The first one is Hitpaw Video Enhancer. Import the video that needs to be repaired by dragging or clicking here. The system will automatically identify the suitable AI model applicable to the video. In addition, face model for person. Hitpaw Video Converter also supports to use animation mode for animated characters and animated scenes. Colorize model for old black and white photos that need to be colored. Here you can choose resolution and the format you want to output. Let's see what the preview looks like with 4K resolution on the face model. Then click Preview Effect. Hitpaw Video Enhancer supports no watermark preview 45 frames. We can see that the face of the person in the video is much clearer. The freckles and scars on the face are well restored. The hair is also much clearer. The repair effect is quite pretty. It's simple and works well. The free download link is in the description. Go and try it. The second one is Topaz Video AI. Let's import the same video. We can see this in the toolbar on the right. In addition to choosing the resolution, you can also choose the frame rate. Here we choose 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Here you can manually set stabilization, frame interpolation, enhancement. Also, you can choose the AI model, set parameters, even add noise points. In the output settings, we choose the output MP4 format. Let's preview the effect of the enhancement. We can see that there will be a big watermark in the preview video if we don't purchase a license. Although the face is still a bit fuzzy, but overall, it's much clearer. The water glass in the hand has a slight change, but still acceptable. Okay. The setting options of Topaz Video AI are more comprehensive. It's suitable for professional video workers to do in-depth video repair and enhancement, but it is too complicated for beginners who are not familiar with the video process. The third one is AI&Aiseesoft Mac Video Enhancer. Launched it. Here you can see some usage guidelines. Now let's import the files. Compared with the previous 2 software, AI&Aiseesoft Video Enhancer provides some simple video editing tools, such as video rotation, mirror, zoom in, and zoom out. Also, you can edit some video effects, like modifying video brightness, contrast, etc. Here you can add your watermark too. These basic video editing functions are friendly to beginners. Now back to video quality enhancements. You can choose under the Enhance function bar, like upscale resolution, optimization brightness and contrast, reduction video noise, reduction video shaking. Then click the Apply to confirm. Back to the first page, here you can choose the resolution of the video. Similarly, we choose to output a 4K video. Click Convert to confirm. Now we open the output folder to see the repaired video. Well, it looks like it's barely working. Let's compare it with the original video. Well, the result is a bit disappointing. The last one is Enhancer Video Enhancement. Its interface and functions are very similar to the AI&Aiseesoft Video Enhancer. So let's just see how it enhances. Well, the final enhancement effect is also similar to the AI&Aiseesoft Video Enhancer. It can be said that it has almost no effect. That's all for the 4 popular AI video repair software. In terms of effect, Hitpaw Video Enhancer and Topaz Video AI do a great job. It's highly recommended for the beginners to the Hitpaw Video Enhancer with its simple operation. And Topaz Video AI is more suitable for in-depth video workers with its full functionality. This is all for today's video. If you have a better software video repair software recommendation, please leave a message in the comment area. And don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe our channel.